it's a feature of moringa, and I have prepared for you a buffet that consists of moringa leaves, moringa flowers, moringa, we call it the drumstick. So it's going to be a healthy buffet incorporated with Dina's herbs and spices.
Cumpleaños, cumpleaños feliz.
And here we have also potato with some sauteed moringa leaves mixed with spinach and cream. So that's also another components with moringa leaves. And for the biryani here is, like I said, it's a popular dish in India, and it has a lot of flavorful aromatic flavor, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and other herbs and spices. Anyway, and here we have one popular dish that's known as the dal. It's the yellow lentil. And then we have the cabbage toran with a lot of turmeric and mustard seed. Okay, and we have the pakoras mixed with vegetable moringa leaves. So we've got the moringa leaves, the sticks, and with the tea you will have the flowers and vegetables. So you incorporate them together and then with the moringa leaves. Okay?